So I get asked all the time, why do you buy all the expensive gear? Why not just buy the cheap stuff at the store? Well, when it comes to safety, I believe you cannot pay too much, and that's why I highly recommend Alpinestars. Yes, their stuff is pricey. My full race suit was almost $1,000, but in the end, it saved my life multiple times. They offer CE level protection, which is your standard when it comes to armor and protection for motorcycle falling. It is CE level 3 armor, which is the highest you can go at this point. Also, my helmet I use is a full carbon fiber helmet, so it doesn't weigh a lot, but it's still more protective than most. And it also has it has an air pump on the chin, so you can go ahead and rise it up and all that stuff. Also, with Alpinestars, they have knee draggers for your pants, so in case you were to fall by chance, you can go ahead and slide on your knees, or also same with the elbow guards. This is my undersuit right here. This was only $50, but it's worth it. It keeps you cool while you're in the suit because this is full leather, so it gets hot. But overall, I've tried a Dainese suit. I didn't like it. It fit too tight. This Alpinestars just fits perfect on me, including the boots. The boots are like $200, but once again, worth it because if you were to drag your foot, you're not going to mess it up or you crash. The big thing with motorcycle boots is they stay to your feet, and they're also supposed to add a level to comfort. So if you were to fall, your boots aren't going to go flying or any of that stuff. So that's all I really have to say about Alpinestars. It's an amazing company. You can just get it anywhere in the world. Right now I'm in Italy, and I've found so many dealers that have it, and it's well worth the price. I'll definitely buy again. Anyway, hope you guys, if you guys decide to ride some gear or ride a motorcycle, you pick up some gear and go ahead and go Alpinestars. It's worth the money, I promise. All right, guys, that's my thing on Alpinestars, and I hope you pick up a pair. Peace out.